Good morning, guys. We finally have some cooler weather, so I'm gonna head out on the dirt bike because I haven't been out on it for months. So I'm just gonna do a quick little boot to this place close by my house, Westwood Plateau. That was in one of my earlier videos. So I'm just gonna muck about for a short little time just to exercise the bike basically and debut my new ugly jersey. All right, let's hit the trail. Well, when I loaded it up, it was really awkward loading. No matter how many videos I watch that make it look like it's super simple, it still stays very awkward. So hopefully unloading it will be a little bit easier. Just barely. All right, so as promised, the reveal of my ugly jersey. Ta-da! Yes, I tried to pick the ugliest jersey I could find on Alibaba for like $8 or something. So, all right, let's see if I can start this thing. All right, let's see if I manage on this trail any easier than I did the last time. Jesus. Should have warmed up before trying the big hill climb. This is actually a really good little spot to practice some skills. Let's see how much battery power I have left. 40%. I got 40% and I neglected to bring another battery. I'm already dying and it's not even that hot out. I actually should come out here with like a skills package and practice some things rather than just mucking about. Next time for sure. No! Ooh, this hand is sore. Well, maybe with some more practice, dirt biking after 50 won't be so bad. Except for this hand, if it ever strengthens up. Alright, I'm gonna screw around for a little bit longer, but once the battery dies, it dies. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Huh.